Welcome back. Konkan Railway Police have seized liquor worth almost 1 lakh rupees at Madgaon Railway Station on Monday. Police have arrested 3 people while in possession of liquor. Police suspect that the liquor is duplicate. One of the accused is a history sheeter.
Pradeep Pandey, age 40, Rahul Singh, age 22, and Guddu Jaiswal, age 30, were arrested by Konkan Railway Police on Tuesday at Madgaon Railway Station. All 3 are native of UP and were travelling to Gujarat via Happa Express.
Upon verification of their bags, we found that they were transporting liquor, altogether 1,600 bottles, which have been attached under attachment Panchanama. In black market, that amount will be 80 to 90,000. In this case, we have registered offence under section 468 of IPC, cheating for the purpose of forgery for the purpose of cheating. And under this offence, we have arrested Pradeep Pandey and Rahul Singh, and the third person, Guddu Jaiswal, who was in possession of original liquor. So he has been arrested under section 41 of CRPC. They were transporting this liquor via Happa Express train to Gandhinagar, Gujarat. And there are likely arrest of more person in this case, because we are suspicious that these brands are duplicate and the labels are forged, and for the purpose of cheating the general public. On earlier occasion also, we have arrested this Pradeep Pandey in 2 or 3 occasions for his involvement into smuggling of liquor.
Goa seems to be on top list in smuggling, whether it is gold or liquor. A reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
The Indian sports administrators seem to have taken the honour of the country for granted. A day after the Indian Olympic Association declined to abide by IOC's directive to clean its image, the IOA officials did not even show their respect for World Cup winning Indian archery team. This is unfortunately the state of affairs in the present Indian sports scenario.
The Indian trio of Bambaila Devi, Rimil Burili and Deepika Kumari won the second successive gold medal on Sunday, defeating former world champion Korea in the World Cup in Poland. Sadly, there was no welcome for the glorious team when they landed in New Delhi on Tuesday morning.
With me is the World Cup winning gold medal team, and with me is Deepika Kumari. Deepika, first question is that आपने ये जो कोरिया को हराया फाइनल में, it was very tough. What was going through your mind?
कुछ नहीं, बस हमारे यही चल रहा था कि हमें अच्छा शूटिंग करना है, एंड अभी के लिए नहीं, इन फ्यूचर कॉन्फिडेंट चलाना है. और उधर हवा भी बहुत है, बहुत कंफ्यूज कर रहा था लेफ़्ट राइट. तो बस हम यही सोचे कि प्रैक्टिस करना है और प्रैक्टिस में ही अच्छा मारना है.
वर्ल्ड कप का गोल्ड कितना मायने रखता है? बिकॉज आर्चरी जो है, आर्चरी में इंडिया कंसिस्टेंटली बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, बट कहीं ना कहीं गोल्ड के टाइम पे जाके कोरिया से या बड़े किसी टीम से शायद हार जाती है. इस बार जो है प्रेशर कितना था आप पे?
एक्चुअली प्रेशर तो नहीं था, क्योंकि जब हम अच्छी टीम के साथ खेलते हैं तो हम रिलैक्स हो जाते हैं. डर तो रहता है बट रिलैक्स हो जाते हैं कि नहीं, चलो हम अपना मारेंगे, वो उनका जो मारना है वो तो मारेंगे, बस हम अपना मारेंगे, अपने तरफ से अच्छा कोशिश करेंगे.
औरंगाबाद जाएंगे और वहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस भी है आपका नेक्स्ट टूर्नामेंट के लिए?
एक्चुअली औरंगाबाद में भी ट्रायल है 3-4 दिन के बाद, और हम वहीं पे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे अभी. और हमारा जो मेन जो टारगेट है वो है एशियन गेम्स, तो हम मेन उसके लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Ghumad beats have begun in the state, with Savat hardly a fortnight away. Dhempo High Secondary School of Commerce held its first All-Goa Inter-High Secondary School Ghumad Aarti competition at Kala Academy in Panji on Tuesday.
आज गोंया म्हणटकर स्पेशली जे इन्फ्लुएन्स चालू जावंक लागले आसा, वेस्टर्नायझेशन जे जावंक चालू जाल्लें आसा, कजिनो मार्फत म्हण नाल्यार बाकीचे तरेचे जे टायप ऑफ इन्सिडन्सीस दॅट आर हॅपनिंग, देंपो कॉलेजीन हो एक सुंदरसो इनिशिएटीव घेतिल्लो आसा टू आयडेंटिफाय द ट्रू टॅलंट and also trying to preserve the culture of Goa.
With this, we conclude this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.